Hello guys, I am Roosevelt, and in this video I'll be showing you how to create a canned mockup in Adobe Photoshop. So without wasting much time, let's get started. I have my canned image over here, and this is the label design that I'll be using. So I got this label design from Google, and I also got the canned image from Google. We will start by making a selection of the can. So right click here and select Object Selection Tool. With the Object Selection Tool selected, change the mode from rectangle to lasso. Now let's draw around the can to make a selection of it. Perfect. So now we have a selection of the can. Press Ctrl D to duplicate it. Select the move tool. So when you turn off the visibility of the background, you see that this is the cutout can image. Now turn on the background's visibility. With this layer selected, press Ctrl J to duplicate it. Now turn off the visibility of the first can image. Select the second can image over here. Let's copy our design. So press Ctrl C to copy. Come over here and then press Ctrl Shift V to paste in place. Reduce the opacity so that we can see through the design. Now let's align our label to the can. Just press Ctrl T and drag this side down. Drag this side also down. So something like this is okay for me. Yeah, perfect. Right click on the labels layer and clip it onto, select the create clipping mask. Clip it onto the second can image over here. Once you are done, push the opacity all the way back to 100. Turn on the visibility of the first can. Select the first can's layer. Change its blend mode from normal to linear blend. Now let's reduce the opacity of the first can image. So let's go with, let's go with something like 30. You can always change it later. So let's go with 30 for now. Select the label layer, go to FX and select blending options. Let me push this one here. So in the blending options, you'll be working with the underlining layer. Hold down your Alt key, left click and hold this side and then drag it to the right side. You see that it's creating some reflection for us. So hold down the Alt key, left click and hold, left click and then drag to the left side. So something like this is okay for me. No, that's too much. So I think let me push this one. So let's go with 75. Once you are satisfied, just click on OK. But then you can see that the design is going through it's passing through the top part of the can. So once again, turn off the visibility of the labels layer. Add the layer mask over here. Select your pen tool. Then let's make a selection of this part. So gently make a selection of the top part of the can. So gently make a selection like this. And yeah, this is okay. Now hold down your Control key and hit the Enter key to make a selection active. Turn on the visibility of the labels layer. Select the layer mask over here. Select your brush tool. Make sure that the foreground color is set to black. And then paint over this side to clean it. Let's push the opacity to 100 and then paint this side to clean it. Once you are done, press Ctrl D to deselect. Turn off the visibility once again. We'll be doing the same thing for the bottom part. So press P for your pen tool and then make a selection of the bottom part as well. Just take your time and then make a good selection. So go something like this. Nice. Now hold down your control key and hit the enter key once again to make the selection active. Turn the visibility of your label back on. Select the layer mask. Select your brush tool over here. Make sure the visibility is still on black and then paint over this side to clean that part. Once you are done, press Ctrl D to deselect. And then voila! Okay guys, so this is how to easily create a canned mockup in Adobe Photoshop. If you like this video and then you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Also like, comment and share with others.